Hello, welcome to Winter Trends TV. Choosing the right healthcare tips that work can be difficult, although we all want to be our fittest. But fret not, to make your weight loss journey a bit easier, we have an easy yet effective method to speed up your fat burning and help you look your best and feel great from the inside out throughout the season: lemon and ginger detox tea. Moreover, this magical fat-burning concoction help you fight the harmful effects of air pollution, keeping your respiratory system healthy. So, hold those expensive meal plans and tough workouts for a while and try this natural home remedy to remove toxins from the body and get rid of abdominal fat quickly. You've probably heard many times that drinking lemon ginger gives you many health benefits, such as curing nausea, indigestion, and the common cold. And if you're trying to slim down or maintain a healthy weight, you can drink your weight to a healthy weight loss. How to make lemon ginger detox tea for weight loss. First, just heat 1 cup of water until it starts boiling. Then when the water reaches boiling point, add grated ginger root to the water and simmer 5 minutes. After that, strain and add freshly squeezed lemon juice to the cup. You can add a dash of honey to your tea if you want. Finally, mix and drink. How does lemon ginger detox tea help with weight loss? Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and their acidity aids digestion and protects the liver. Lemons also have diuretic properties, which help in detoxifying your system, assist with fat burning. Lemon is known to increase insulin resistance and reduce the level of fat in the body. Ginger has tons of health benefits. It can help lower blood sugar levels, which otherwise can affect your ability to lose weight or eat healthy. Ginger also improves fat absorption and prevents accumulating it in the body. It increases satiety and reduces the feelings of hunger, helping you burn stubborn belly fat. Both lemon and ginger have anti-inflammatory properties that prevent inflammations and enhance the activity of the liver, which in turn helps in shedding the pounds. Thus, ginger and lemon together make a potent combination that boosts your metabolism and burns more calories. Not only is the lemon ginger tea an excellent drink for weight loss, it is also your one-stop drink to perfect skin and great hair. What's even more, lemon and ginger tea contains properties that can help you build resistance against the effects of air pollution. What's the best time to drink this health concoction? To yield optimal results from this drink, try having it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, drink this fat-burning tea right before bed to help to keep your metabolism going, even while you're sleeping. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Turn on post notifications and come back for more wonderful health tips.